Every strong surface starts with what lies beneath it. X-Grid is a market-leading ground reinforcement grid designed to create strong, durable and SuDS-compliant surfaces across a wide range of applications. From driveways and car parks to access routes, landscaping projects and commercial installations, this gravel grid provides strength and stability where it matters most. Designed and manufactured in Yorkshire, X-Grid is made entirely from recycled plastic waste, creating a high-performance surfacing solution that helps repurpose waste material, which could otherwise end up in landfill. In 2021, it became the first product of its kind to be awarded the highly coveted Made in Britain mark. Being lightweight and easy to handle, our grid system is incredibly quick to install. Thanks to its innovative slot and peg connection system, one person can install up to 100 square meters per hour. The robust, unique cellular structure delivers outstanding load-bearing strength, with 1 square meter able to withstand up to 428 tons when unfilled. Once filled with gravel, soil, or seeded grass, this creates an even stronger reinforced surface that remains practical, attractive, and easy to maintain, with the cellular structure helping to keep the fill material securely in place. Available in black, white, and green, X-Grid can be matched to a wide range of surface finishes and project requirements. The open cell design also supports natural drainage, helping rainwater pass through the surface and reducing the risk of localized flooding. Whether you are creating a driveway, reinforcing a grassed area, improving access, or building a sustainable surface system, X-Grid gives you the strength, stability, and confidence to create surfaces that stand the test of time. X-Grid, the market-leading ground reinforcement grid.